What's up, guys? So, right now I am rinsing out my deep conditioner. I usually just deep condition every time I wash my hair, wherever the case may be. So, I go ahead and just start rinsing it out. I have it parted in 4 sections already, so that's a good start. And usually, my hair is so easy to detangle after I do a deep conditioner. So it usually just slides out, everything just comes out so perfect. So I'm usually just gonna be basically just kind of just rinsing out my hair and basically detangle it. It's pretty simple. I don't really like to keep my wash days or any type of days really hard. So I'm gonna be using my Hello Hydration Herbal Essences conditioner for my co-wash. Very cheap, very affordable for me to use every week. So I just use that much, and I'm just gonna start and basically put it on my hair and detangle my hair wherever it's tangled at a little bit more. I just want that extra slip and the extra hydration for my hair. So then I go ahead and go by twisting it, and that is really it. I'm gonna probably speed up the process for the other 3 sections, and I will come back and basically explain other. Alright, so I am back. I just put all my conditioners in my sections. Now I am about to do my invigorating scalp massage. I don't have no little technique or really no type of little gadget for this. I usually just use the pads on my fingers and it works perfectly. So I'm going to be doing that. And then after this, I basically am just going to be showering regularly and come back and rinse out my hair after I'm done with everything. Okay, so I basically just showered and everything. Now I'm going to be just rinsing out my hair regularly. Also don't have no technique. It's pretty minimal. I don't really have no type of other tangling I have to do. So right now I'm just basically going to be rinsing out my hair. And that's pretty much how I do it. It doesn't really take that long. Like I said, everything's already detangled, so it's usually just me getting it out of the twist, and that's it. If y'all would like to see my deep conditioner video, I'm gonna be having that in the next video after this. I just wanted to basically show my minimal wash day. Pretty simple. I don't like to keep it too, you know, extravagant. Like, I just usually keep it simple, straight to the point, and so I can get about my day. The usual style after I go ahead and rinse all my hair out and I get out is usually a wash and go, and that is another video I have on the way. But they don't really take that long to record, so they're probably gonna be up on Monday. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is just my normal wash day routine. So if y'all like videos like this, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Thank you.